Welcome back to Chapter 7. In this short video, we'll be talking about non-semantic wrappers. First thing is the div tag, which prior to HTML5 was probably one of the most overused tags out there. Well, now with the addition of semantic wrappers and tags with HTML5, the div tag is now only intended to enclose other block level elements for the purpose of non-semantic organization. The div tag is a block level element by itself, and currently it adds no meaning to the code, so use only when necessary. The div tag is also often used with conjunction with CSS to make different elements and items be easier to find and also easier to change. For example, on the right, you notice that the div tag is actually the only item that's encompassing these paragraph tags, an image, and a form tag, which we'll get to later. Does it or should this be in a section tag? It can be, but in this case you want to change something in this. So in this case we're going to make it a div tag. You can switch divs and sections around. Again, divs should only be used when you're trying to group something together instead of purveying some context that is present on a page. Next we have a span tag. This is different from a div tag because this is an inline level element, such as strong or em or b or I. This encloses short phrases for visual formatting, often used for a special styling of a phrase. For example, on the right, you can see that the phrase AB Tech is wrapped in a span tag, so we can easily identify it and change the color, change the weight, change the font type or style, instead of having to go through and make all the strong tags and all the EM tags and find the specific ones. A span tag makes it easy for us to find and identify what items we want to stylize. It can be used inside of div tags and other elements like paragraph tags, but not the other way around. You cannot and should not use div tags, paragraph tags, or anything else that is a block level element inside of a span tag. You can use inline inside of block, but you cannot use block inside of inline. Again, that is a fairly short video because this is covering non-semantic wrappers with everything introduced in HTML5. We have more tags than we'll probably ever need. I just wanted to give you a quick overview about how things can be done and using older techniques to make things still work on the page. If you have any questions about this or anything in Chapter 7, please let me know via email or on Twitter, and I'll get back to you the best way I know how.